Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ragab. Now I'm presenting the project 2 for CSE 548 Advanced Network Security. And here is implementation of the rules level 3, layer 3 and layer 2. Here is a layer 3 as per the instructions here. Okay. And here is the layer 2 as per the instruction. And here is my implementation of the source code. I created a Python script that creates two controllers on different ports, one on port 6633 and one another port on port the other controller on 6655. And I told to use OVS, Open Virtual Switch Kernel Switch, and I added 4 hosts. Then I created the links as per the assignments here. Also, then here is start the network and start the command line interface. So here is the terminal of the mininet Python script. So I'm just reviewing what I have done. Here is I run the script, and then yes, here is the one. It says it's enabled to connect to this controller, but later it was connected successfully. Here is the controller 6633, 6633. Here we are. Here is it's up and running. I was pinging some packet, so it was presenting this packet. Here is another controller also, but on another port 6655. It's connected, and I was pinging another packet. After that, I was adding a link between the two controller, and it was successfully connected. Then I added another link from controller 2 to switch 2. Previously I connected controller 1 to switch 1, and then I presented the network. All of this connection: controller 1 connected to switch 1, controller 2 connected to switch 2, and switch 1 connected to host 1 and host 2 and controller 1. Switch 2 connect to host 3, host 4, and also host 1, but on a different interface, which is ES1. Also switch 2 connected to controller 2. Okay. So then please keep in mind that host 1 as per the instructions is connected to a different interface, one of the switch 2 and one of the switch 1. Here is two different interfaces. Okay, here is ES1, ES0, and then I presented all the links to make sure that all links are connected. Here is I terminated being all by mistake, and then I opened each window in Xterm terminal, each of the 4 hosts, and then I made sure that the IP is correct for the host 1. So for interface 0, this is the IP as here is mentioned. Okay, connected to switch 1, and another IP connected to the other port connected to switch 2. Here is the one, and here is another interface. We have 2 interfaces with 2 different IP addresses. Here is the loopback, and here is the hosts. Let's open it one by one. So first of all, I pinged from this one, which is host 1 to host 2, which are connected to the switch 1, and 100% packet loss, so the packet was not sent correctly. And here is I made on host 2, I made TCP dump, here TCP dump, and here is a TCP dump, and then nothing gets nothing reply. Okay, because here I got 100% packet loss. After that, I was adding a new rule to from ping this to that. Uh, this is the IP of host 1 connected to switch 2, and here is ping this. Yeah, I don't know why the rule was not implemented, but I tried also another solution that I can I made sure that it's the IP is added to this interface which connect to switch 2, and then I ping this, but I don't know why the rule doesn't happen. Actually, I have no idea. I tried many debugging for this. Maybe the control needs to be reloaded or something. And then I created an HTTP on host 2. Um, Using a Python script. Where is it? Where is it? Let me search for. Yeah, here I was trying to curl any website, and here is fail to connect. For example, fail to connect this port because here I made an where is a Python. Yeah, here is a Python. Here is a Python server on port 80 with this IP address. So I pinged from this, which is this IP coming from the source, this, which is the host number 2. So I tried to ping yes, here is curl on the same IP as here. This is the web server, but it says connection refused. This is successfully implemented because we cannot ping from port 80, which is HTTP protocol. Then after that, I continue to ping on this. This is a MAC address, and it successfully happened. Here is another TCP port because it's as a switch for all the hosts connected. When I send a packet, they are all of them intercepted. Okay. For example, here TCP dump. Here is, let's say, ping 888. Okay. Network is unreachable. Yes, so it's blocked from anyone from this host 1. That's it, and here is my source code, and here is my 2 configurations files, and they are placed here on BOX directly. Here is my Python script. This is one, and that's it. Thank you so much.